Yeah, it's a lovely Sunday morning at Juhu beach, and we have enjoyed about 15 minutes of workout, which includes cardio and muscle test, and including 5 minutes of meditation with a mantra chanting. Thank you. It's an amazing experience. One must enjoy this. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, good morning. With YK Fit Lifestyle. Actually, we were a bit skeptical on joining this because we had a long walk on the beach. But then we said, okay, we'll take up this challenge. But yeah, it was too exciting. Here, all the functional exercises which were conducted were very great. In a short while, yes, we had picked up a lot of items right there, and we did it really great. I think the coach can say about it. But then we enjoyed it a lot. Thanks a ton to all of you. Thank you.